Today we will learn how to create a chatbot automation for real estate agency using Chatbot Builder AI. My name is Bogdan Dolzhny and let's begin. So before we proceed, we need to make sure about couple fundamentals. So first of all, I'm gonna need a Google Sheet, like a property list, you see, like with prices, property descriptions and image and so on. And somewhere I need to store my leads. Next, I need to have connected this Google Sheet to our Chatbot Builder account. So if you go to integrations, you will see Google Sheets sections, and there you can connect your Google account and click manage and make sure that you add your spreadsheet here as well. Next, on prompt engineering section, I don't change nothing because I handle this like business details inside of the flows itself, because I have one account and I'm using for building demos for multiple businesses. But we need to have function to grab leads. Basically that's it. What else I'm missing? So I'm totally missing any kind of information about like real estate agency business. So let's go and find someone. Real estate agency US. Let's go US. I don't know which one I should pick. I guess this one is fine. Okay, so what I gonna do is I will just Control A, Control C, Control V, everything here. Then, so what I got about us, I think that I will go and grab also about us. Interesting part about us. Let's see. Okay, so we have some bunch of text about the company, and now we need to craft clean instruction about the company for our AI. So I'm gonna go to the simple chat GPT and I'm gonna give this prompt, create me a chatbot knowledge base using the info provided below. And the info will be everything that I just got before from the website. And now instead of this mess, we should get something nice. Let's see. All right. So what I will gonna add, real estate company. Okay, it's very interesting. Now where we're gonna need this information, it will be created into certain flow. For example, I have website demo, for example this buy direct demo, and there is a flow related to this company. So there is a welcome message, there is AI default reply, and I'm using these flows each time I created the specific new web chatbot. So inside web chatbot settings, you can see different web chats. So one is my main and another one is for the previous company I just showed you. So I have everything, like I have questions, call me, persistent menu, and that's it. I'm gonna do the same for real estate. So let's create flows first, and then we come back here and create the chats. Now we're gonna go and create inside website chat demo new folder, which will be like this. Okay, let's make sure there will be less mess. So it will be real estate demo folder, and inside we need to create, I guess, several flows. One is for getting leads for the function, and another one is for welcome and default reply. So let's just copy it from here. Okay, can't copy all of them, so I'll do one by one. I'll just duplicate. All right, now I need to move this duplication, move to the folder, flows, website demo, real estate demo, continue. Hey, okay, all the flows looks like in place. Let's go back to our real estate demo. So I would like to rename this. Okay, so inside in the welcome we will change a few parts. So here will be all the information about our business, the real estate, which I'm gonna paste it shortly. But before I proceed, I always like to create new things. So it's like tag is, so we don't have the tag for real estate. Real estate. No results for real estate tag. We need to create real estate tag very quickly. So this is gonna be happen here. Real estate. Hey, come on. Why I can't create? Oh, okay. Real estate is created. Now we change condition blocks. Okay. What's happening here? When user first time came to this flow and there is no tag will be real estate. And I need this tag because on the main flow of the account, like such as default reply and welcome message, I need to redirect people to real estate flows. We will play around with this flow later. Time to publish this. And let's go back and check default reply for real estate. It's very simple. If tag is, it's very simple. If user always will be redirected here. Okay, we'll also need to paste in this flow information about the business. Now I'll show you one interesting trick why I'm spending some time with creating these tags. So as you see in my account, I have like AI welcome message and default reply easy. So if in any case user came here for our real estate demo, I need to trigger the right flow, which is in our case is real estate. That's it. So as I did previously for the other demo account, now we need to. So I need to start other flow, which is in our case real estate demo. Come on, welcome real estate demo. Published, and now let's go to the default reply, the main account default reply, and also we need to do the same, completely the same thing. So we can even duplicate this, just replace the flow inside this block, which will be hard to replace. So start another flow, action, we will select from here, start another flow. And we just select our default reply, easy real estate demo. Now when it will be triggered, when tag is real estate. Save, done, connect. Alright. Publish. Okay, this is my main information about account. Alright, now let's go back and work with our real estate part. Interesting. So we have two flows, default reply for real estate and we have welcome message for real estate. In both cases we need to train AI about the information, so AI will be able to answer in the right way to the user. Okay, so let's go back to our ChatGPT and copy the last response, and I will do a few tricks. So name of the company is Real Estate. So we have name of the company and we have everything about the company. Let's go to the welcome message flow and update our AI instructions. So all of this will be probably deleted because we will have something new. Let's start it from here. So before bot even say hello to the user, we need to give to bot clear instructions. So we have like this. Here details about the company. Let's include this as well. Actually, let's copy everything from here and paste it here. So I always like to let user know that he is speaking with not only AI bot, but with sort of like AI with a name. So this is like instruction to our AI. So you are Emily, a helpful assistant for Redfine Real Estate. Introduce yourself as a first interaction with user, like, hey, my name is Emily. Your goal is to say welcome on behalf of Redfine Real Estate in a friendly tone. Because this is welcome, this is like first interaction with the user. I will be able to greet user, and we have no idea what user wants from us, so this will be sorted on default reply. Now this one is just welcome, so simple instructions, just introduce yourself. Yeah, and also we need to make sure that we know the user first name, so we will be able to talk to the user personally. Personalization is increase the trust. So at first conversation, we ask user for his name. At this stage, everything is done. So I just copy and paste it here. All right. Our welcome message is done. So we have AI clear instruction. AI will generate text for us and save into custom field AI welcome message, which will be sent on the next block, AI welcome message. And I'm waiting for the user reply, which is I'm waiting for the first name, because user should reply his name, and next stage it will be default reply triggered. So let's work on the next part of the flows. All right, I'm no need all of this stuff here, so let's just move it somewhere away. What I will do here, if I know user first name, no need to ask this again. Just in case, I will add the condition if first name has any value. Okay. That's interesting. Why I can't save responses to a custom field, first name, right? We have such field, first name. Then why I can't select here? Okay, let's try again. We have only full name. Wow. Okay, no, let's keep it simple. So let's has any value. Let's just save the user reply, I mean the name, to the full name, and that's it. Auto skip after. Okay, no auto skip. So in case we have users full name, we don't ask about it again. We just send the text message instead of getting user details. Okay, that's all the difference, and I believe we need to update our instruction here. Don't ask user name if we already know it. It will be nice to have, because clarity is a secret of nice and smooth work with AI. Alright, so we can connect functions here, as you see, once you will create it. So the main message, for the first user interaction, is ready. So basically, we nicely greet user and we're ready to his questions, to user questions. Now AI default reply. In this case, we need to again update the AI information about our company. So it will be a bit different. We say that you are Emily and help assistance. Our instructions to our AI is done. What is left is to connect here function. We need to have two functions. One is for lead generation and one is for providing the real estate property details, because this is the whole goal. So we need to build one more flow for the function. Okay, and it will be simple. Google Sheet real estate property. So we need to send now information from our Google Sheet, and now we're gonna create interesting thing. We need to work with Google Sheets. So Google Sheet. Now we have different options like get row, get random row, update row, clear row, generate dynamic gallery. This is our stuff. So we want AI generate, depends on the user request, the catalog for real estate. So we select the relevant sheet, and now we have to map. So instead of leads, we go to the property list, as here, property list, and now we will start mapping. How many properties do I have? Oh, I have a lot of them. 2000 and something. It will be tricky. Alright, let's start map. So image URL we should get from certain column, which is in our case, I guess, is this one, column M, right? So it will be column M. It goes for the image. This will be the name of the property. Basically, in this way, you create the columns just using this character as brackets. Now, how many bedrooms? I will give bedrooms here. Column G, card URL optionals. I will give a price, of course. Open website. So it will be more details, and will be a link, which will be more details link. It's detail link. Column N, which is correct. Okay, so we have everything, but we are missing price. So I will delete this price US dollars. Do we have price in US dollars? Yeah. Column F. So looks like we have everything. So we have flow for the function, which will help us to the user send the property list. Now let's connect this function on default reply. Why on default reply? Because functions are integrated. Let's create the function first. Prompt engineering functions. We need to create simple function. Well, not simple, super cool function for real estate. So it will be real estate catalog. Okay. Function is done. And now we need to connect our function in our flow, which is real estate default reply. So let's go back to the flow, real estate default reply. And here we're gonna connect our function. Okay. What is left is to create the website bot with all of the settings. Let's go to channels, web chatbot, manage, and create real estate demo. So we created our real estate demo, and we even can get a link. Time for testing. So let's open our Bogdan Dolzhny real estate. Hello, my name is Emily. Welcome to Redefined Real Estate. Okay, it's Redefined Real Estate. My name is Bogdan. So instead of typing just Bogdan, I just type full text. My name is Bogdan, and let's see if AI will catch it. Nice to meet you, Bogdan. How is it today? Feel free to ask any questions. You know what? Let me go to the chatbot builder, and I just want to check if there is a contact created with full name data. So it's here. Few seconds ago, some guest, and Bogdan, phone, nice to meet you, I didn't know. Tags, real estate. Okay, tags is fine, but I completely failed with full name, with storing a full name as a contact. Okay, we will fix this later, it's not a big problem. Let's play around with our bot. So I'm interested to buy a house. Show me everything what you got. Okay, and let's go. Alright, I got some bedrooms. I have too many of these things. Okay, let's do some fixes inside the Google Sheet flow. But looks like it's working. I got like many different options. When I click more details, I go and see more details. It's just simple and beautiful. Instead of, manually adding over, I don't know how many, 2000. Yeah, over 2000 properties. I can just, send them all here in this way. But we'll update our bot a bit. So let's fix this problem. We have there's too many brackets. So there is area squid, and there is issue with how many bedrooms. So let's go to the flow, real estate, and let's start trying to fix this. I can see the issue where is too many things. So 1, 2, 1, 2. But I should get a price. But why I'm not getting the price? Why I'm not getting the price? Huh? Let's save and see. Log is published. Okay, let's be specific. Let's say show me all properties below and price range, let's say okay. Now I have, I guess, everything below this price range. There are no more items. Only a few of them. Fine, so now it's giving me this. It's giving me rooms. It gives me more details. But the problem is that I'm not getting the price from Google Sheet. And probably it's because of this type of this parameter of this of the sheet. Because I'm not sure what's wrong, what's going on here wrong. But let me try to fix this again. So I guess it was wrong place for this. I need to go it here, this price. Price, and I would like to give them bold. It's possible to give them bold text. Okay, can you go lower with price? We have 500,000. Oh, yeah. So let's just send another prompt, another request. Okay, now we have price. And I think I'm gonna swap this data because I like price to have bold, because this is the most, sometimes it's the most important factor. Because if I place price beside that, maybe it will be too much. I don't know. Let's try to move price here. So just comma and price and dot. And let's just add more details. So we have bedrooms, bathrooms. So bedrooms, it's like, just bathroom. So like this, bathroom. All right. It got updated. Let's go to our bot and let's lower the limit a bit. Okay, it gives us like square feet and give us price. So, and this is like additional details, how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, and more details, just click here. So it's beautiful. Okay, I made several tests and I finally managed to work the function. So the function looks like this. If you go to settings, integration, prompt engineering, and then below you will find the functions. So this is my function where I'm collecting the user data, and there is one custom request, the real estate property details, which I store in the real estate property custom user fields created specifically for this task. Now I have the rule automation, so the trigger if this real estate property request, which is changing inside the function here, so if it changed, if value is changed, I'm sending the data to the Google Sheet. Okay. Now I had the issue with triggering function, so the function didn't work. Because pay attention to this. If you want, instead of connecting to the agent, if you want to trigger the function which is supposed to handle the book appointment, you have to disable connect user to human. So I keep here only two functions, real estate property catalog and book appointment real estate. So that's it. As you see, once I change it, starts from this moment, everything works smooth. I just say that I want to book appointment. Okay, the AI asked me for my contact details, which is first name, last name, email, phone numbers, and real estate request. Pay attention to this. I've sent everything at once message, but AI managed to understand and store it into right relevant Google Sheet columns. You see, like first name, first name, last name, email, phone numbers, and property details. So that's it. This is the way how you can create easy the AI automation for real estate agency. Follow me to learn more.